Hey everyone, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas tree with a wood tree that you can get from the dollar store. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you want to do is that you want to paint a wood tree any color that you would like, and then you want to wait for it to dry. I got mine at Family Dollar, but you can also get similar ones at Dollar Tree. Once the paint is dry, you want to get something for your base, so the tree can stand. I used this wood circle that was going to be an ornament, but you can use whatever you would like, just as long as it's big enough for the tree, and anything that you would like to put on the tree. When you have your base, you want to put hot glue on the bottom of your tree, and then you want to place it in about the middle of the base. Now while you're doing this, make sure the tree is standing up straight before the glue dries. When the glue is dry, and if you haven't already, you can cut off the twine at the top of the tree. Then you can get some flower picks and cut or pull off anything that you would like to put on your tree. I decided to put berries, pine cones, leaves, and a red bird on mine. Once you have everything that you want to put on your tree, you want to glue everything on the base or on the tree with hot glue. I started gluing on the berries and pine cones first. Then I glued the bird on the top of the pine cones and the leaves under the pine cones. The last thing you want to do is that you want to glue on a bow at the top of the tree, and if you want, you can also add some more glue on the back of the tree and on the base, so it's secured better. That's how you make this Christmas tree. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!